about the lateral and total area of cuboid. Let's remember the properties of cuboid. Cuboid is a solid. It has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all of them in the shape of rectangle. Each two opposite face has the same area, and the area of each face is length times width. Okay. The cuboid has 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cuboid has 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. It has 4 lengths, 4 widths, and 4 heights. Okay. The volume of the cuboid is length times width times height, or base area multiplied by its height. Okay, so if I want to know what is the lateral area of the cuboid. Lateral area, first we said in the cube, it is the area of the front faces of the cuboid. So here I have how many faces in the front or in the side of the cuboid? I have 4 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 side faces, all of them in the shape of rectangle. So here I can say that the rule said that the lateral area equal perimeter of base multiplied by the height of the cuboid. Perimeter of base of the cuboid multiplied by the height of the cuboid. So I have to know what is the perimeter of base and multiply it by the height length of the cuboid. So let's figure out where this rule came from. Okay, here we said that the area of the cuboid, lateral area of cuboid, is the area of the front faces, which is this rectangle plus this rectangle plus area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle. If I started by this rectangle, I know this is the length of the cuboid and this the height of the cuboid. This is the length of the cuboid and this is the height of the cuboid. So here the area of this face equal AB multiplied the height of the cuboid. AB, the side AB multiplied the height. So I will write here AB times height. Let's go to the second face here. The area of this face, it will be equal BC multiplied by the height. BC multiplied by the height. So here plus BC multiplied by the height. Here the third face, the third rectangle. CD multiplied by the height plus CD multiplied by the height plus the last face DA multiplied by the height. DA multiplied by the height. Here I can notice that the height is repeated, the word height is repeated in the 4 areas. If I took the height as a common factor, so the height will multiply by, from here, remember when we study in unit 1, when you took a number as a common factor. I took this height here. What is the remainder here? AB. Then plus, I took the height plus BC. From here, I took the height plus CD. Here plus DA. So the height multiplied. What's AB plus BC plus CD plus DA? Here, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is the perimeter of base. This is the perimeter of base, the sum of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is the perimeter of base. So lateral area equal, lateral lateral area equal perimeter of base multiplied by height. I want you to know this rule. So here, from this rule, I can deduce some other rules. If I have here lateral area, and here you know the magic triangle, perimeter of base, and this is height. We said lateral area equal perimeter of base multiplied by height. If I want the height equal, this is divide, this is times. You know the magic triangle, just hide the height. Height equal lateral area divide by perimeter of base. If I want perimeter of base equal lateral area multiplied by height. Sorry, lateral area divide height. This is divide. Okay. Here we said to know or to figure out the lateral area, you must first bring the perimeter of base, and you must have the height. What about the total area? Total area is the area of all the faces. How many faces do I have? I have 6 faces. It is the sum of area of all faces. I already have area of 4 faces in the lateral area. So I already have 4 faces. What is the remainder? I have to find the area of the other 2 bases. So to find the total area, just add the lateral area to the area of 2 bases. Okay, so to know what is the total area, add the lateral area you have to the area of 2 bases. This base and this called bases. This base and this is the other base. So I have to add lateral area to the area of 2 bases. Okay, so if I want to solve an example, we will just focus on the direct examples. Here the booklet, page 73, number 7. Okay, a cuboid of length 6 centimeter, width 4 and height 8. Find its lateral surface area, and we will find also the total surface area. Okay, so I have here length equal 6, width equal 4, and height equal 8. First, I have to find perimeter of base. Okay, perimeter of base equal this base length and width, so length times width, length plus width, area of rectangle, times 2. Length plus width times 2. So I have here 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2 equal 10 times 2 equal 20 centimeter. Now it's easy to find the lateral area equal perimeter of base multiplied by the height equal, what is perimeter of base? I already have it, 20 multiplied by the height, which is 8, equal 160 centimeter square. Okay, now the second step, to find the total area. To find the total area, we must first find the area of base. Area of base. This is a cuboid. Its base is rectangle. So area of rectangle, length times width, equal what's length? 6 multiplied by what's width? 4 equal 24 its area, so the unit centimeter square. Now easily I can find total area equal lateral area plus we said 2 times area of base. To find area of 2 bases, this means area of 2 bases. Area of 2 bases, 2 multiplied by area of 1 base will give me area of 2 bases. Lateral area, I have it here 160 plus 2 open bracket 2 multiplied by area of base 24 equal 160 plus 48 equal 208 centimeter square. Okay. Page in your sheets, sometimes he said that the cuboid is with a square base like this. You know, sometimes the box has a square base. Remember from the first term, we said that sometimes the cuboid may have a square base, like here. So it will change the total area. Why? And lateral area, because I have base square. So perimeter of base will be perimeter of square, and area of base will be area of square. Here, in the normal cuboid, I have perimeter of rectangle to use it in lateral area. But in total area, I use the base of square also. But here, I have a square base. So I must find the area of square and the perimeter of square. Let's see an exercise in the booklet, page 74, number 14. A cuboid of square base with side length 8 centimeter. Here, to see clear. 8 centimeter and its height 10 centimeter. Find its lateral area and total area. So I have here length and width. Length equal 8 and width equal also 8, right? And height equal 10, okay? Because it is square, the same length and width. So to find first, as we see, perimeter of base will be the perimeter of square, which is side times 4 equal side. It is the same side, okay? I just want to clear it. Length is the same, width is the same side, okay? Because this is the same length and width. In the square, the same length and width. Length and width. The same, okay. So I can put it side, multiplied 4. The side here is with 8 centimeter, multiplied by 4 equal 32 centimeter only, not square, because it's perimeter. Okay. I have to find now lateral area equal, what's the lateral area? Lateral area equal perimeter of base multiplied by height. Perimeter of base, I have it here, 32 multiplied by 10 equal 320 centimeter square. Okay, I haven't finished yet. I have to find the area of base. So first, perimeter of base. Use it to find the lateral area. Then area of base to use it to find the total area. Area of base equal, this is a square, so side multiplied by side. Or length times width. 8 and 8 equal 8 multiplied by 8. Equal 64 centimeter square. Here, total area equal the rule lateral area plus 2 times area of base equal lateral area 320 plus 2 multiplied by 64. Don't make 320 plus 2, then multiply it by 64. No, this is together. These are together. This bracket together, multiply it first, then add 320. Equal 320, make the multiplication. The answer will be 448 centimeter square. Okay, junior 6. I want just you to know sometimes in the exercises you have a cuboid without lid. This means I have how many faces? 4 in the lateral and 1 only in the base. So the total area here, if I have the cuboid without lid, so I don't have the base up here, okay? Total area will be lateral area plus area of base only, okay? Not multiplied by 2 because it is without lid, so I don't have this base, okay? Okay, junior 6, thank you for listening and see you in another video.